Good morning everyone. Today's our topic is parts of a plant. Basically, we are going to learn about the different parts of a plant and the functions performed by them. Yes, the very first part of the plant is root. Yes, these are roots. And now about the function of roots. Roots hold the plant firmly into the soil. These absorb the nutrients and water from the soil. For the plant, these roots of some plants perform the function of storage of food like radish and carrot. Now the next part is stem. Next part is stem. Well, this is the stem of the plant, and but about its function now. It supports the other parts like branches, leaves, flowers and fruits of the plant. And stem of some plants also perform the function of storage of food like in ginger and potato. Generally, stem performs one more function, that is the distribution of the water and nutrients absorbed by the roots to the leaves. And the third part of the plant is leaf. Here I am going to use plural of the leaf, leaves. Yes, now what is the function of the leaves? Generally, the leaves perform the process of photosynthesis. By this process, leaves make food for the plant. Generally, the leaves absorb sunlight. These trap sunlight of the sun, and with the help of sunlight, these convert carbon dioxide and water into food. That food is known as glucose. It means leaf is a very important part of the plant because it performs the function of photosynthesis, means it make food for the plant. And one more function that leaves perform is the storage of the food like a stem and roots. Leaves also store food in some plants like spinach and mint. And the under surface of the leaves has some openings. That tiny openings are known as stomata. Generally, stomata helps in the exchange of gases inside the plant. So, stomata helps in the process of breathing inside the plants. And the next part is flower. Here, flowers are the colorful part of a plant. Yes, these are the very attractive part of the plant. These attract so many insects toward it. Yes, now what is the function of the flowers? Yes, flowers helps in the reproduction process of the plants by making seeds. Basically, flowers make seed for the plant, and that seeds we use to produce the new plants. And flowers also perform the function of storage of food in some cases like in cauliflower and broccoli. And after that, the next part is fruit. Yes, basically all the fruits are edible in nature. Now about the function of the fruits. These protect the seeds inside it. Fruits protect the seeds inside it. These encloses seeds inside it and protect the seeds. And basically all the fruits, as I have told already, that all the fruits are edible in nature like tomato, guava, mango, apple, pineapple. All these are the fruits. These all are edible in nature. Now the last part of the plant is bud. It is the undeveloped part of a plant. It grows into a leaf or a flower. Buds are also edible in some plants like in cabbage. This was all about the different parts of a plant and the functions performed by them. Now again once more I am going to explain about these. The very first part is root. These hold the plant firmly into the soil. These absorbs nutrients and water from the soil, and in some cases these also perform the function of storage of food like in radish and carrot. After that, the next part is Stem. It supports the other parts of the plant like the branches, leaves, flowers and fruits. It delivers the water and minerals absorbed by the roots into the leaves. It also performs the function of storage of food in some cases like in ginger and potato. After that, the third part is flower. It is the colorful part of the plant. It helps in the process of reproduction by producing the seeds. Generally, the seeds produced by the flowers are used to grow the new plants. Some flowers are also edible in nature. These also perform the function of storage of the food like cauliflower and broccoli. After that, the third part is leaf. Leaves are the most important part of the plant because these make food for the plant by absorbing the sunlight and by performing the process of photosynthesis. In photosynthesis, leaves absorb sunlight and convert the water and carbon dioxide into food. That food is used by the plants for their growth and development. Some leaves are also edible in nature like spinach and mint. Moreover, the undersurface of the leaves have tiny openings. That openings are known as stomata that helps in the exchange of gases inside the plants. After that, the next part is fruit. It is the edible part of the plant. It protects the seed inside it. There are so many plants. There are so many fruits that we eat like tomato, guava, apple, mango, pineapple, etc. After that, the last part is bud. It is an undeveloped part of the plant. It generally grows into a leaf or a flower. In some cases, in some plants, it is also edible like in cabbage. It was all about the different parts of the plant and the functions performed by them. Thanks for watching my video. I will be back soon with a new video with a new topic.